just read me a story, Bob.
What, 5?
I just read you a story.
Okay, so far we've done 25.
And the
Let's
story,
start another
Bob.
pile over here of 5. We're running out of room.
So don't have to story, Mom. And that's the end of the story. I read the cat, okay? Doing it. La 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 la. So she go to the story is the ball. Oh no. She didn't have a timeout. She just be good as the story. Go to the story, Mom, and be along a tour.
What an imagination you have, Brooke.
And don't have the story, Mom.